Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from Quantower. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the platform to export chart data for analysis, backtesting, or record keeping, all without getting lost in menus. Start by opening Quantower on your computer. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace and connect to your data source. If you've used it before, it should restore your previous layout. That's helpful because exports are based on the chart you work with. Next, look to the very top left of the application window for the Quantower label. This is the main application menu, and it's your hub for opening panels and tools. Go ahead and click it. A drop-down will appear with a list of panels you can add to your workspace. From that menu, choose Chart. This opens a chart panel if one isn't already visible. If you already have a chart open, that's fine too. Simply continue with the chart you want to export from. It's a good idea to make sure the symbol and interval shown match what you intend to export, so you don't end up creating a file you didn't need. Keeping the chart focused on the right market and time frame will make the export faster and cleaner. With the chart panel in view, move to the top left corner of that panel. Look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click this chart-specific menu. This menu contains features and tools that apply to the chart you're viewing, including the export option. In the menu, select Export Data. This opens the export interface for the active chart. Here, you'll typically see options to review what's being exported, such as the visible instrument, the time range, and the data granularity. You can also choose a file format that suits how you plan to use the data. Comma-separated values are widely compatible with spreadsheets and many analytics tools. Pick a save location you'll remember, especially if you maintain a structured folder for your projects. Keep in mind that exporting a long history or high-resolution data can take longer. Letting the platform finish without switching workspaces will help ensure a smooth export. If your chart has indicators displayed, remember that most exports focus on raw price or trade data rather than indicator values. That's it. You open Quantower, use the main menu at the top left to access a chart, open the chart's 3-line menu, and choose Export Data. Use the same flow anytime you need a clean, reusable data file from your charts. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing.